Hello everybody, my name is Hannah Knott and I'm a phlebotomist, and you can tell that by my very official Grey's Anatomy sweater. You may be wondering, what's a phlebotomist? Well, a phlebotomist is a trained professional who collects your blood, processes it, and sends it to a lab. What is blood, you may also ask? Well, blood is the only fluid tissue in your body, and it's useful because it transports substances throughout the entire body. So, what are the components that do all these skills, and how? Well, accounting for 55% of the body, we have this plasma. And plasma is 90% water. But in that other 10%, there's a lot of substances dissolved in here. So, let's pour about... Yeah, that's 55, good enough. Okay, what else is there? Well, these are my friends, red blood cells. Red blood cells have a special trait called hemoglobin, and this hemoglobin can grab onto oxygen and transfer it to all tissues of the body. They have a red hue, turning the blood red. That's red. Okay, well, what happens if your body gets an infection? This is where the white blood cells come in. They are bigger than the red blood cells and way less populous, but their one of their jobs is to destroy all the nasty things that can hurt your body. Bloop, 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 bloop. One of these, a certain kind of white blood cell, is called a macrophage. And just like this ball is empty, the macrophage's job is to engulf and dispose of a nasty pathogen, which is something that can harm your body, like a virus or bacteria. Okay, but if I get a boo-boo on my elbow and it starts bleeding, like, how does that scab form? That's so complicated. Well, my friends, it's not as complicated as you think. There's this cell called a megakaryocyte, and it pinches off little irregular pieces, and they go into the blood, and these are called platelets. These platelets have a job of gathering where there's a hole or tear in a vessel, combining, and then with clotting factors, they form a nice mesh called fibrin that creates a scab and heals over time, brings the vessels closer together, and the tissues and vessels mend. Awesome! So now you have a basic idea. There's 4 components of blood, but it's so much more complicated than that. But this is the simplistics. I hope this helped, and have a wonderful day.